Hi, it's me.
So before I start this video, I just wanna answer one of the comments I got and I couldn't find it back. So I wanna answer it this way, and it's regarding a gift I wanna send to someone, and the answer to the question and the idea is, Pani Anetko, this is for you. I think that, or actually I hope we'll enjoy this fricassé we have. So I couldn't type your answer to your comment because I lost it somewhere in the space, so I really don't remember. So this is it, and now I will play a clip for Ms.Fifi, also known as Corina from Canada, and this one is for you. So this is the vanda I got. So we are first owners of the vanda, but the roots are really long, and this is the vanda watering system. Oh well, Corina, so this is the one. Let's hope it will flower one day. And now we can start the video. Hey! I think he's enjoying where he is right now in heaven. Hello! This is gonna be unboxing video again, and I have a problem. I've got a package from MP3 Cacti. I got myself gift, housewarming gift. I just couldn't resist when I saw it, so let me see. Ooh. Yes, the package was a little bit tumbled, but oh, it's two things. It's supposed to be, I ordered one. Good for stability, that's good. Let me see. Exactly, pseudobactivata. So let me open. Oh. Oh. Oh wow. This is so pretty. Oh. Came in perfect. I really love it. But I see another tiny bit here. Is it normal paper? Paper. Paper. Oh, what is this beautiful things? What are these? I need to contact. I don't know, guys. Do you know what it is? If you know, let me know, because I don't know. Oh wow, I have to ask. That's very nice to get a gift. Cause I don't see any description. No. No description. No. It's a gift. I love it so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I will put all the links down below so you can follow MP3 Cacti on Instagram. You can buy, of course, on eBay. This one is so pretty. I really love it. Thank you so much. Thumbs up for good service, good communication skills, and beautiful specimen. Thank you so much. Hello, it's me, and I'm alive. And I'm not gonna lie, it's a week later since the first unboxing, so I'm still alive. I've got gifts. This is my housewarming gift. And this one is quite much delayed. Took quite a long time for post office to deliver. So let me see. It's one of my friends from Facebook, and I'm really excited. Oh. It's, as usual, well packaged, which is good. Oh, I see gifts, because this is not what I ordered. Oh my god, so what is this? Good use. Haha, Merry Christmas! Tricos Reus Peruvianus Matucana. I don't know how this one looks, but I will. And it's Tulsi Krishna in this Indian. Oh, Indian basil. Oh my god, thank you so much. I'm so excited. And then I ordered soap. I love handmade soap, and this one is handmade and all the way from Spain. From my friend, did it himself, and it, oh, and it's, oh my god, smells so good and natural. And this contains cacti and I think something more. I don't really remember what for now because I'm so excited. So let me open this baby. Let me see if this is my astropython or astropython. Oh, that was well packaged. It is. Oh, this is my astropython. Oh, this one is so pretty. Oh my god, I'm loving it. I'm gonna pot this baby up. It's so pretty. I'm loving it already. And also, I never learn. This one is one of the cacti I really wished for a long time. I saw it everywhere. Let me sell it out for you. It's a aroused cacti. Or is it too early for this joke? Wow, what a spines. How do I open this? Oh. Ooh, this one is so pretty. It was so long in wow. It's a pretty I don't know if you can see, but you can definitely see why it's aroused, right? But it's so pretty. Oh, I think my boss is calling. Okay, please. Hi. Hi. Oh my god, I'm so excited! So now you see, it's really beautiful specimen, and the new growth is so... I will take a picture and post it to this video, so here it is. Such a structure, and the spines are so, oh god, I love it! Also, I exchanged plans with a member of a Facebook group I belong to, I'm a member of, and so we exchange cuttings, and this is amazing. I'm so happy. You know, this plant power, like Lini says, it's really lovely. And my boss is called right now, and we are going plant shopping. To be honest. So let me open this one. Oh, this is Kalanchoe something. I saw this before. I will put their name here, but I don't have it. But now I do. And let me see if I can adjust light a little bit. Yeah. So I don't have this, and I'm happy how I do have now. Look at this beautiful structure. It's so pretty. Look how the baby grows. It's growing very nice. I really love it. So now I understand. It's very pretty. I was planning to do a plant tour here. Everything is practically done, so I may do it soon. But if you have any other suggestions, put in the comments below for me for a video. So please let me know. Also, thank you so much for watching, and I see you in my next video.